Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create service price list in Airtable. So if you have some shop or business where you maintain the price list or specific, let's say service business where you sort your service price and keep a log of what service was offered, you can use tracker like this. So what we're going to do is we will open a table, start from scratch, right? Here I can rename the base, right? Let's give it a color and remove any existing fields that we don't need, right? So I'm going to delete these three and the default one which I can't remove because it's primary field. So let's make it auto number, right? And save it. Now first field that I wish to enter is say service ID, right? So if you are offering any particular service, right, or if you maintain a service based on some numbers, right, so from 000 to 10,000, 20,000, based on the amount of work that you have done on specific service for client, so you can maintain that ID here, right? You can even make it auto number, or you can say there are no unique counters here, mix of say alphabet and numbers. So we'll have to see if we can create something of our own. If not, we can simply keep it as number, right? So that would also suffice. So let's take a look at number option, right? So number, and let's say only integer, right? And then create field, right? Now if I choose to have service type, that will become multiple choices, service type. Then we have options like say consultancy, then product, then subscription, then say rent and other. So these are some of the things that you offer, right? And then we will also add description for that service. So I will explain as we fill up some of these forms. Then finally pricing per hour, right? So it will be a number but with some decimal points, right? So up to 4, right? So let's say I choose ID 0001. Then service type, we will use say product. Then we will choose the type of product would be say delivery product to customer 1, right? Pricing per hour, we made the product within say 2 hours and I have like $40 rate, so pricing per hour will be 40. And then we can create a field where we can add the amount earned also, right? But we will try to maintain separate sheet for the work done, so this should be pure for pricing list. So here let's say if we pick consultancy, then consulting service, and we have like 120 USD also amount, fictionally obviously. So here we can even change this to say something like 3 or 32, right? So this ID will be different than our auto numbering, so based on that you make the adjustment. So let's pick subscription, monthly subscription. So say $20 is the sub. Now you have this price list tracker. You can even manually add it through the form, right? So we create the form and service price list is the name. You can check it in form, add your service type and charges here, right? So we have service ID, type, description, pricing. So if you open it in another tab, it should look something like this. So say service ID 04, then type is say rent, so renting hardware, right? Then price per hour would be like $2.5 per hour or $10 per hour, right? Then we submit this. Right now we will check our grid view again here to see what's added. Our recent entries added here. So you can track your services provided like this, right? So if you make any adjustment, you can change within this sheet. You can also connect this sheet with another one, and then you can even track which type of service type was used, how much was charged, and how much you can earn for that month. So kind of like predictive type of sheet you can make, right? So this is simple service price list tracker you can maintain. You can also add one more field where you can add your team and their names and assign that particular service to that, and you would maintain that list so that you get the idea at the end of the year.